Hello, it's Miss Grinsell with a card game to teach you today. This one is a fantastic game for your memory and also for your knowledge of number facts. So what you're going to need, a deck of cards. You can leave kings, queens, aces, all fine in the deck. You're also going to need a partner. This game can be played with more than two people, but just start with two. For the first game that you play, this memory number fact game, half the deck is a good place to start. Once you get better at it and your working memory is improving, a whole deck of cards is the way to go. So check out the instructions coming up next. This game's a combination of memory and also number facts. So the way this game works is you play, this can be more than two players, but probably best played just with a partner. So the first person has their turn and they flip over three cards. Any three cards is fine. Three. Now they have a look at those three cards, they see if they can use them to make a number sentence that's correct. So can they add two together to equal the other one? Can they use subtraction? Can they multiply? Can they divide? With these, I can. So I can go 2 plus 5 equals 7 because that is a number sentence that is correct. I get to keep those cards. And then the next player has a turn. So they turn over any three cards. Now, when memory comes into it, you might see a number when another player is having a turn that you might like to use later on in the game. So you have to keep a track of where the cards are and have a think about what you could do with it. So this player, 2 plus 2, 7. So there's not much they can do. So they just flip them back over. And then it would be the next person's turn. So they'd flip over some cards. There's a 4. So I just remember from the player before having a turn that there was a 2 here and there was a 2 here. So now I can take this 2 plus 2 equals 4. So it's a great way to develop number sense. It's a great way to work on that working memory. And it's just a fun game.